Hey guys, welcome back to Steffi Talks. Welcome back to a new video. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is all about a monthly subscription box, which I haven't done in a while on Steffi Talks. Obviously, I think those are more mainly, were they beauty? I think they were mainly beauty. But this is a book subscription box, and this goes by the name of OwlCrate, which is a US monthly subscription box, which I did pay. I think it came around 40 euros, around about, I think something like that. And it's a monthly subscription, so I have subscribed to January. I think they just took out the February, billing, yes. But this arrived around about 3 weeks. So obviously I received it in February, so I think they sent it or they shipped it around the 8th of January, and I got it in the first week of February. Just give you a bit of an idea of how long it takes if you're interested. And it's a YA book subscription box, just in case anyone's asking. So it's young adult, and it's probably, I'm not sure if it's a fantasy one, because here it does say magical monthly reads. But yeah, it's very interesting. I think you get about 5 to 6, you get the book and 5 to 6 other goods revolve around the popular books that are going around at the moment. So I'm still fairly new, so I don't know all of the characters and stuff, but it's always exciting to see what's inside these boxes. So without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing, shall we? Let's go. So this is what it looks like inside, and let's just get into it. So the card is a spoiler card, and it says OwlCrate, and it is from the Vengeance Will Be Mine box. So each month there's a theme behind it all, and I think I'm gonna need this spoiler card because there's a lot of things that I probably don't know and don't understand, or I haven't read the actual books towards them. So I'm gonna go with the biggest thing that's in here because it's big and it's massive. Okay, OwlCrate exclusive mug. Welcome to the Order. Join your fellow wizards and rise up against the ministry. We hope drinking your favorite hot beverages helps you alert while training in secret. You'll need all your wits about you. Designed with love by artist Kara Kozek. Dishwater and microwave safe. Made in China. I feel like this is some kind of Harry Potter thing, just by what I read. So let's see. Is it? Let's see. Okay, it's a mug. Now I don't drink any hot drinks, so this is just going to be my pen. Probably anything to do with my pens. It's an OwlCrate exclusive. Oh my god, yes it is. Oh, please don't tell me this is a Triwizard. Please don't tell me this is a Triwizard. Is it a Triwizard? I'm gonna have a look. 1 second. So it is. Take a stand and rise up to the ministry. You'll definitely want a caffeinated drink when you're running late to the Defense Against Dark Arts, I think. DA. We hope you love this exclusive wizard ceramic mug in our ongoing series from the artist Kara Kozek. This looks like Harry Potter. Let me show you. That is so cute. Well, it's just something about Harry Potter. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the... But this looks like a maze. So the maze is a Triwizard, I'm sure. So this must be from the Goblet of Fire. So that is so cute. Okay, I like that one already. Okay, next. Okay, we have socks. Now, I lose socks very, very easily, so... Okay, so it's an OwlCrate exclusive again, and it is Crooked Kingdom, and it's a unisex small. So each purchase helps fund literacy programs and book donations in community needs. Now let me see who made these socks, because I am still very new at all this. When you're sneaking around the streets of Catterdam, be sure to stay warm with these awesome exclusive socks. They're officially licensed by Out of Print, using the gorgeous cover art of the collector's edition of Crooked Kingdom by Leah Bardugo. Probably is a book I haven't read, but I will definitely look it up and try and see what this is all about. But this is just a gorgeous print. I just really like it. So that's that one. Next, okay, let's see. Ooh, I've always wanted one of these. These are like those pin things. Yeah, they look like the pin skins. Now this is like what are they called? Is it a pin or a kite? No, flag pin. Okay, I need to got so bad at these things. I'm still getting used to all these pin banner. It's a pin banner. I got there in time. Okay, so we're excited to be launching another year of exclusive enamel pins in our boxes, which they are known for. So they're known for their exclusive pins every month. So we had to include a new pin banner for you to display them on. We've teamed up with Amazing in the Race to create this banner inspired by The Hobbit. Now, I've watched The Hobbit and I really liked obviously The Hobbit, but I've never read their books. So this is interesting if I do eventually read the books, because there's a lot of detail in this map. So that is so cool. Definitely like that. So that's really cool. So till now I'm glad that they're not stuff that I would just think are gimmicks, or just things I'll just put around and they'll be knickknacks and they'll be just boring. Okay, we have an OwlCrate exclusive. I think these are Court of Candles. So we have a candle, which I love candles, and I think this is just really good color and a good size. It must be about a 20 ml or 15 ml. This is not a lot. Yeah, probably. So this is Ignite Your Inner Magic with the gorgeous exclusive candle inspired by the Magi from the Children of Blood and Bone. They were handmade by a Court of Candles and were sent out assortment of 5 different candles. Which one did you receive? So there are 5 different candles and you can get either one, and I got the connector, which is fresh berries and ginger. Okay. Ooh, that's an interesting smell. Oh, that's so, okay, that's really good. I would say it's more of a fresh smell, and it would be more of maybe a spring summer. And as you can see, they've got glitters in there as well, so that's really cool. So that is the candle. So that's nice. Let's see what else. Oh, we have the pin. Okay, I'm seeing the pin. I'm seeing the pin. I'm seeing the pin. Okay. Okay, so the monthly enamel pin, and this is blood to blood, name to name, bone to bone. This is box number 59, so they're probably going for 59 months or something like that. So this is the pin, you guys. You need to see this. I've never had any pins, so this is my first ever enamel pin. No joke. And this is so nice. I love the detail on it. So there's the cards, swords, and all sorts. So this pin, let's see where the pin's from. So for this month's exclusive enamel pin, we've worked with forenses and flowers to create a design inspired by the main characters of Scavenge the Stars, which I have not read, so I don't know anything about this, but I will definitely look it up. You'll have to read the book to discover how these items come into play. So that is interesting. So definitely something I want to look into. Okay, next there is a cute little bag. So let's open this up. And we have, oh my god, this is a mirror. This is so cute. Look how cute this mirror is. Okay, and it says you've got words in your soul. Well, okay then. Oh, it's a compartment. Okay, I'm not gonna blur you, but it's a compartment. So you could probably put your pills in here if you had any pills, or something small. Like, oh, that's really cute. What's this from? So this exclusive pocket mirror with secret storage would be a rather useful tool for any, I'm not even gonna read that, of the red charge, especially in the Hall of Truth. Inspired by Night Night, Never Night, and designed just for you by Team OwlCrate. So that is really, really cool. I might give this to my mom because she kind of has some pills that she might take throughout the day. So I might give that to my mom. I'm seeing the book. I'm seeing the book. Oh god. Oh, there's more stuff. Oh, one second. Let me put the book aside. There's more stuff, which I'm trying to grab. Oh, this is, oh wait, we'll leave that to the end. There's a book underneath the book, or like a leaflet, and it's January 2020 regions. Oh, okay. So there's stuff about the stuff that's in the book. Interesting. Okay, let's go into that after the book. Okay, so the book is here. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So it's ripped. Well, that's very handy. Okay, so let me open the ripped bag. Well, they didn't do that really well, did they? Because it's ripped. Let's just hope the actual book is still intact. And it's called Scavenge the Stars by Tara Sim. So that's that. And this is a little note by the author. So that's really nice. Okay, let me see what this is about. Revenge. It was a simple word when spoken out loud, but it was so much bigger, like hidden city under the atoll. It was a word of fire and blood, of a knife and whisper, of the priming of a pistol. Then would all pay. So, it's the first novel in a sweeping fantasy duology, so there's 2 books. The gender-swapped retelling of the Court of Monte Cristo is packed with high-stakes adventure, romance, dueling identities, and breathtaking betrayals, all brilliantly woven together and acclaimed by author Tara Sim. Ooh. And the best thing out of them all is it's a signed copy. So that's really, really interesting. I'm gonna get into that probably this month because I like reading new books that have probably just come out. So let's read this quickly before we end the video. So there is an interview with the author, Tara Sim, which is great. Oh, you see the difference in the OwlCrate edition and the regular edition. So I'm guessing that we saw this is the original book cover, where obviously the other one is the exclusive OwlCrate edition. So that's interesting. And there's all her like Twitter handle, Instagram handle, and her website. Okay, let's see. There are other reads that's similar probably to the book, which is interesting. An interview with a vendor in the read, so someone who actually made one of the items in the box, so that's interesting. January box photo challenge. Ooh, so every month there's a photo challenge. Ooh, are we on time? I hope we are, because that's February 5th. There's OwlCrate unboxing, February 6th. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I need to get onto this. I will try and get those done. Interesting. Okay. Set sail for revenge with this playlist inspired by the Count of Monte Cristo. So listen and scan the code with your Spotify app. That's it. Other releases we're excited about this month. So these are other releases that they're excited for this month. Let me see if we can get these. There we go. So these are other releases that are coming out in January probably. And oh, and actually this one was in the Fairy Loot box this month of January, so that was interesting. So it's so amazing how it's on here as well. And I'm not sure if this was in OwlCrate. I think it was, because I was following everyone in them. Okay, and then this is next month's theme, which is so pretty. It says the theme of the February box is a power within. Flip for a sneak peek. So every February box will include a deck of playing cards inspired by Throne of Glass, which I do want to read. This is an example of a post of deck cards we created. P.S. if you're already a subscriber, your account will automatically renew. Yay. So this is what the deck of cards would look like. I think that's what they're trying to show. And yeah, quite impressed with the box overall, because it's my first box. And why am I out of focus? Hello. I was out of focus, so I had to change and swap the things around. So I was actually quite impressed, as I was saying, with the box. I am so excited for all the items. There's not many knickknacks that I won't use. I've actually probably used most of the things, and I think I'll give them away to my mom. I'm so excited for the pin banner because I've never had pins before, so I'm excited for that. And the mug is, I think I'm 100% sure it's from the Goblet of Fire. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but when I'm seeing like the maze and stuff, that's what it reminds me of, and it's probably one of my favorite books from the Harry Potter series. And yeah, that's really exciting. I'm so excited to read this book, so I might leave a review on my blog once I've read it. And yeah, thank you for watching, as you always do. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you shortly. Bye guys.